Today I talk about going to structure, going to subject plus be and is are plus going to plus verb form of the verb. Be going to for. We use going to plus basis for of the verb. For example, I'm going to take the first exam at the end of the year. I'm going to be difficult to get a job during the summer as the tourist industry is suffering from the economic downturn. We use going to in informal styles. In intentions, we use be going to talk about future plan and intention. Usually, the decision about the future plan has already been made. Example: she's going to be a professional dancer. She go up. In prediction, we use be going to something that we think is certain to happen or which we have evidence for now. In this part, you use tomorrow and this week and another example is going to snow again some. In this part, the speaker can probably see the snow cloud. You can practice in an English exercise or G. In the question, are you going to travel tomorrow, for example? The first, the verb to be and plus subject plus going to and plus for verb. You practice in this quiz, please, about going to. In this part, you practice all time. In English exercise, practice. You can listen in. You can do reading. You can do listening, speaking, and writing. In this page, you can have evaluation all time. Practice all. Everybody, please. Okay. Can you see next week in the class? Bye. See you next class.